about potentially joining the company. Here are three examples about how this might sound. Here are sample answer number one. I'm looking for a competitive salary that reflects my qualification and experience. And based on my research and requirements of the role, as I understand them, I would expect the salary in the range of 75 to 100,000. Of course, I'm open to discussing the detail of the entire compensation package. The salary is just one factor. I'm particularly excited to learn more about the opportunities to growth and advancement here. Here are sample number two. Given my experience and expertise, I'm looking to make between 60 and 90,000 in my next role. I've done some research on similar and comparable organizations. I wish confirm that range. And now I will be a I will be a valuable asset as your team. And now I will be a valuable asset to your team. I will be valuable asset to you. And I want to learn more about your budget for the role and the other benefits that you offer to your employees. Those are toxic people and comfortable organizations all which earn their rent. Now will be valuable asset to you. They are open to learn more about your budget for your work and other benefits that you offer to your employees.